everyone, this is Sharik and welcome back to Globetrot with Arabic. This is the second video in the series of Arabic language pronunciation. If you haven't seen my first video, you can watch it later on. There's no particular order to follow. As I mentioned in my first video, it is very important to practice pronunciation from the very start. If you pick up bad habits, it will be very difficult for you to erase them later on. So today we will be practicing the sound of the letter ha. The name of the letter is ha, and the sound, as you can hear, is h. We will be practicing it by using my glasses. You can use glasses at home or a small mirror or anything that helps you. Let's get started. I'm going to take off my glasses and I'm going to pretend I'm cleaning them. I'm going to go ha, ha. Is this really how I usually clean my glasses? No. The way we clean them is ha, ha. You really blow the air, right? Again. The way I'm doing it is I'm blowing the air out. I'm putting pressure here, but at the same time really blowing out. So now let's try to put these with some vowels. We will begin with the ha. Let's just go together. Practice with me. And slowly add the a to it. Ha. If you notice here, I use the number 7. It's just an informal way of writing it when I'm chatting to friends or family members, because there's no equivalent to the letter ha in English. So we use the number 7 because it looks like the actual letter in Arabic, as you notice. Okay, let's try with this one. Hoo. Again. Hoo. So there's no how or anything like that. It's just Hoo. Keep blowing the air and then think of the oo. Again. Hoo. Good. Now, let's try with the E vowel. So, let's blow. Hey. Again. Hey. There's no hai. It's h immediately followed by E. Hey. Now let's try to put them into words. If we cover this, it will be ayat. But there is a number 7 here, which is the ha, the letter ha. So we will pronounce it ha. Say just ha. Now say ha. Again ha. And now say hayat. Hayat. Hayat means life. Now, let's go to the second word, which is harf. Harf means a letter. It's not the letter that we write. No, it's the letter of the alphabet. Again, ha, harf. Now, this is the word huruf. Huruf means letters. It's the plural of the word letter. So, without this, it will be uruf. But it's not uruf, it's hu. Again, say hu. Huruf. Huruf. The last one is followed by the vowel E, the E sound. So it's he. Blow the air out. He. Himar. Again, we're not saying himar, or we didn't say hayat or huruf or harf. It's not an H like 100 or hotel. No, it's a ha. Himar. Let's practice a few more words. So I have here the word ahmar. You notice now the ha is in the middle of the word. It has no ha, hu or he. No vowels. Just ha. Ahmar. Say ahmar. Ahmar means red. Now we have the word sabaha. It's actually a verb. Sabaha. It means he swam. Sabaha. Hoot, which is a whale. Again, hoot. Let's blow the air out and add the oo to it. Hoot. Bahr. Bahr. Bahr means sea. Now, let's also try the adjective hazin. Hazin, which means sad. Hazin. Also, we can practice the adjective wahid. It's again the h with the e sound. Wahid. Wahid. It's not wahid, it's h. Wahid. Wahid means lonely. Now that we know some words with the letter ha, let's have some fun with them and put them all together in a sentence that sounds like ha, hu, hi all together. So the sentence is سبح, he swam, الحوت, the whale. So سبح الحوت, the whale swam. الحزين, sad, the sad. So سبح الحوت الحزين, the sad whale swam. So سبح الحوت الحزين الوحيد, the lonely. So the lonely sad whale swam. في البحر, في, in, البحر, the sea. الأحمر, the red. في البحر الأحمر, in the Red Sea. Let me repeat the whole sentence all together. سبح الحوت الحزين الوحيد في البحر الأحمر. Again, let's go faster. سبح الحوت الحزين الوحيد في البحر الأحمر. Now, when I go faster, we will use liaisons, which means we don't need to say L. We just pronounce L between the words. Like, سبح الحوت الحزين الوحيد في البحر الأحمر. Again, سبح الحوت الحزين الوحيد في البحر الأحمر. Faster. سبح الحوت الحزين الوحيد في البحر الأحمر. 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 Okay, again. سبح الحوت الحزين الوحيد في البحر الأحمر. سبح الحوت الحزين الوحيد في البحر الأحمر. So keep practicing this. Of course, you don't need to go as fast as this, but if you say it just like that, it's more than enough. سبح الحوت الحزين الوحيد في البحر الأحمر. That's it for today. Keep practicing. I hope it was useful, and if it was, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm also gonna add a link in the description box down below with the list of words we practiced today, so you have the opportunity to practice them anytime you want and wherever you are. Bye bye. مع السلامة.